1 plus 1 is 2. Where are you? 2 plus 1 is 3. I am totally free. 3 plus 1 is 4. Alone I am getting bored. 4 plus 1 is 5. Without you, I can't alive. Hi everyone, this is Nazir sir, your YouTube teacher. I welcome you all on my channel Bolo English Fatafat. If you are new on my channel, then please like and subscribe so that you can get the new updates. So, before we start today's class, I am going to tell you that in my previous class we have discussed about etymology and different type of syllabic words. Now in this class we are going to discuss about different parts of speech, because I think parts of speech is the part of etymology. So as usual, the question which I ask, what is parts of speech? If we know the basic or fundamental and definition of everything in English grammar, then that will make pave a easy way to learn the advanced English. So, what is parts of speech? The answer of this question is, to know English very well, all English words have been divided in different categories according to their function in a sentence, and each part of this classification is known as a part of speech, and as a whole this is called parts of speech. And these are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. There are total 8 parts of speech. And before to go further, we just have to remember the small definition of each part of a speech. So you have to follow my trick, because I always give some easy way to memorize these things. So here I am going to give you 2 ways how to memorize these things. The first, noun is the name of anything. Pronoun stands for noun. Adjective is qualifying word. Doing words are verb. Verb qualified by adverb. Preposition shows relation. Joining words are conjunction. Sudden filling by interjection. This is the easiest way, and another which I always tell my students how to memorize the different parts of speech. The next one is, noun is naming word. Pronoun stands for noun. Adjective is qualifying word. Doing words are verb. Verb qualified by adverb. Preposition shows relation. Joining words are conjunction. Sudden filling by interjection. So easy na? If you repeat at home and listen or watch my video continuously, then I am damn sure within a few minutes you can memorize the 8 parts of speech. Hope you got the solution of your problem, and for more you just be with me on Bolo English Fatafat. If you are new on my channel, then please like and subscribe so that you can get the new updates. Thank you. Bye. See you in next class.